What we've got here is a non-slip bench pad. It feels to me like it's made of neoprene. It's 24 by 48 inches in size, and it's got holes that allow dust to slip through, if that's what you need. But you basically put it down on your bench. Let's just say I wanted to round over this piece of plywood. Okay, I'm lazy. I don't have bench dogs or clamps or whatever. I just want to get the job done, and it's not slipping. See, I'm pushing on it, and it's not slipping. So let's round it over first. So let's just say I want a strip that's rounded over on all 8 sides, and first I'm going to work off this big piece just for the sake of showing you how big this non-slip pad is. You do want to make sure that your router bit's not going to actually get tangled up in that thing. Alright, now let's say I want a 3-inch strip. Again, I'm not holding the workpiece down, okay? I'm applying force that's pushing that way and a little bit down, but it's not going to slide. And now I've got my piece. I don't want this big cumbersome piece in my way anymore, but I can still work on it with the router. Now I've got a strip that's rounded on all 8 sides, and I can go as far as sanding.